Bonjour.
Bonsoir, madame.
Bonsoir. Ça va, Muskan? You are new here?
Yes, ma'am. Bonsoir, ma'am.
Okay, d'accord. Great. Why are you learning French?
Ma'am, I want to improve my French. I'm like already teaching French, but I want to get a
Wow.
certificate for that.
You were already teaching and no, I didn't get you.
Because I studied in school, from 6th to 10th. Then I have no certification in that, but I want certification and want to improve my French now.
That's great. That's great. Okay. So you want to give DELF exam or something like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So salutations is the same spelling, but we have to change the pronunciation. That is shun wala sound. The English shun sound is sion.
Yes, ma'am.
Sion sound. Okay. Sarabdi, what is the first word?
Bourgeois.
And the first word. This one.
This one only. Bourgeois.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonsoir. तो good evening हो गया ना? This is bonjour.
I'm still at this word. I just forget how to pronounce it.
Bonjour, right? Jour
Bonjour.
in Hindi, na? That will be more comfortable. What is the next word, Muskan?
Salut.
Salut. Yes, salut. Bonjour. Salut. Okay. Okay. Muskan, bonjour.
Bonjour, madame.
Comment allez-vous?
Comment allez-vous?
Yeah, you are correct.
Et toi?
Ah, d'accord. Bien, merci. Now let's do the new thing, that is how to ask your name in a very formal way. Okay? So this is how to ask your name in a formal way, that is comment vous appelez-vous. So why I'm saying za, because we have to merge this S and A together.
Yes.
Okay? Then ye Z, ye S और ye T नहीं बोलेंगे. So this is comment vous appelez-vous. Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Appelez-vous. Now, you know, Muskan, why we merge it?
Ma'am, to pronounce it for the pronunciation.
Yeah, this is the rule.
Sound together.
Yeah, this is the rule of the pronunciation where we have to do liaison, which is the merging. Okay? And we have to do merging with the vowels. So we have vowels A, E, I, O, U, but we have Y and H also, but Y and H are not the vowels. They follow the rules of the vowels. So we have a different thing. Okay? Okay, so this is vous appelez-vous. Comment vous appelez-vous, which is what's your name. Okay, exact meaning is different. Iska exact meaning alag hota hai, but abhi ke liye just remember this is vous appelez-vous means what's your name. Okay, because appeler means to call. Like appelle-moi, that is to call me. So appel is call. Agar exact dekhe to. Abhi ke liye just learn this comment vous appelez-vous, which is what's your name. We are asking your name. And the next, ya to ye yaad kar lo, ya ye wala. Yeah. Then this one is comment vous vous appelez. Vous appelez.
Comment vous vous appelez.
Comment vous vous appelez. ठीक है, दोनों में से जो you are comfortable with, you can learn it.
Comment.
Or you can use it actually. ठीक है, then we have a standard way of saying, that is my name is and et vous. So je m'appelle Chetna et vous. Je m'appelle et vous. I am asking, my name is Chetna et vous, and what's yours? ठीक है, let's go to the
just a second.
Yeah.
Bonsoir, madame. Bonsoir, madame.
Comment allez-vous?
Ça va bien, merci. Et toi?
Et vous?
Et vous?
Oui, merci. Bien. Et comment tu t'appelles? Or comment vous appelez-vous? We are doing formal, na?
Yeah. Je m'appelle Muskan. Et vous?
Oui, je m'appelle Chetna. Merci.
Merci.
Au revoir. ठीक है. Bonsoir, madame.
Bonsoir, madame.
Comment vous appelez-vous, madame? Comment vous appelez-vous, madame?
Je m'appelle Sarabdeep. Et vous?
Je m'appelle Chetna. Et comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous?
It's how are you?
Yeah.
Je vais bien, merci. Et vous?
Oui, bien. Merci. Au revoir. Say au revoir.
What is that?
That is goodbye.
Oh yeah, au revoir.
We have done this. It's okay.
We have
This
done this.
happens. We have to just revise it.